Now that we are using explicit loading for authors, let me examine the query that is being executed. So we'll go to Debug, Window, Output. Let me clear the cache. Clear the logs and go back and refresh here. And right here we have all of the logs. You can see quite a few statements have been executed. First is select star from the books. Then we have the select star from the publishers based on the publisher ID. And then we have select author and book from book author based on the book ID. After that we select the author. And this hierarchy we are following throughout for all the others because of the n+1 problem. So how do we fix that n+1 issue? We can do that with our eager loading. So that being said, let's do the same using eager loading now, and we'll comment everything out in the for each loop. We'll also include the list here, and what we want is we want the publisher. After that, what we want to load is we want to load the book authors. So right here we'll say dot include, and we'll say u goes to u dot book authors. Here we do not have to define whether you have a reference or a collection. It is smart enough to determine that automatically. On top of that, one thing you have to remember now is we will load the authors inside the book authors. So since we have to load that inside book authors, we won't be using include, but we have then include. So that will make sure that the property that we define now will be inside book authors and not inside the books. Here we'll say u goes to u dot authors. And that is all that you had to do. Once you do that, let's run our application again and give this one more try. Before we navigate to the books, let me go to the server and clear out all the logs. Go to the books. And you can see we had a bunch of statements, but now everything is executed in a single statement. They are doing the joins, inner join, left join, but it is making sure it retrieves the data that we need. We'll hit continue here. And we still see the authors, but this time you can actually see how much more efficient it is when we make the correct use of eager loading.